Hi guys, how are you today? I'm Nikki from IcoSpace, and today we will learn more about how to create a wooden ceiling over the terrace. I promise it will be very interesting because we will use some types and tricks. Let's go! So we have done with our decking with these paths here and here as well to the street. Finally we have to create this nice wooden cover over the terrace, and we can create this very easily. At first I have to create a reference lines from here up to this point here, and we will have this point here, so we can create, by using rectangular tool, we can create a face that we will use in order to create the frame and all the wooden parts inside this frame. So at first I will create a wooden frame by using this tool here, create a window frame. It's not a window, but I will use this tool here in order to create a rectangular frame with, let's say, 50 will be here to 150. Create frame, and now my frame is created. I will delete this face because I don't need. I will give some color to my frame, and I will select and go here in order to rename, and this will be Terrace cover. I can of course go inside my browser in order to make some order here, because we have created a lot of these wooden pallets, and I would like to select all of them and to create additional group in order to have a nice view here in my browser. So from here, by clicking Shift, I can select all of them, make a group, and I will rename this group Wooden Pots. So let's go back to our terrace cover. I will create additional rectangle here in order to have a face, and I will turn this face into wooden frames by using divide selected face into panels, this tool here. Now I have to use this one, and the depth will be the same, the frame width will be 50 again, and here the divider width will be 50 again. So I will create, let's say, 9 here and 9 here. Let's see what we can do. We have very nice wooden frame. If you go to picture, you'll see that here are mounted some lights. So I will go inside here, double clicking, delete this one, delete this one, delete, delete. Without any kind of order, I will use this one, so I will delete most of them in order to have a place where I can place some lights and I am deleting this by using triple clicking over the face that I want to delete. I will use this one, or you can do like this and delete all of these parts. So here will be placed our lights. So now I can go from the bottom, but I will hide the environment, let's say. I will hide as well all the decking of these groups here. Oh no, I can use it like this, and I can, by using push pull, I can push all of this up to this corner, let's say. And by this way I will have a face where I can mount all the lights like this. And finally I can give some material to this terrace cover. I will delete the guides and I will save, and we are ready to continue in a similar way to create this cover over the entrance door. So it was all for today. I hope you enjoy lesson in first place. You learn something very interesting and useful. See you next time. Bye.